Hi everyone, I'm gonna be trying Kylie's old makeup routine and I'm so stoked for this because I feel like this is something that can be used for everyday makeup. Just to try to pin my hair up. I always say that makeup is like painting on your face, and I've always loved painting. I haven't actually painted for a very long time, probably more than maybe like about 10 years now, which is kind of sad that I've really had to let go of the things that I love. But you know, such is life. Maybe it doesn't count because I wanted to show you my love for designs, especially interior designing, but there's really not many places that I can do it on. I have my own house, which I believe I've already showed to everybody. We had a previous house. I didn't really design anything for that one much because the renovations just need to get done with, and so there's not much designs. So yeah, I couldn't really do much of the account if there's really nothing that I can design. Eventually this became like a journey for me to go back to loving myself and do the things that I love, and rediscovery of myself and do the things that I want to improve on. Sometimes I forget that whenever I do these videos that I also have to talk. Still trying to get used to talking. Because whenever we go for a walk with the aim to exercise, we always end up eating out. It's probably not very good for our supposed diet. Skin is very dry out. I already put on moisturizer. It's very dry and it's summertime. I've always just done one type of makeup before, even though I loved it. And it's just because it's my safety go-to makeup. But now that I'm doing all these, and I get to try so many things and it's so fun. My husband's still sending me memes. I never did anything to my face when I lived in the Philippines, but I was young then, hey? I just discovered this one because my mom is a very girly girl, and she loves doing makeup and she likes me to look nice. It's just the type of person that she is, and I love it because I was able to take care of myself because of her. We really didn't grow up with our parents, though they're constantly there. We always have them in the computer, we chat every day, but it's never the same as to when they're present. So we grew up with a nanny. Her name is Manang Pasing. She passed on though. It's a very sad story. Yeah, I grew up in the Philippines. I was never this girly girl. I was never maarte. The soap that I use for my body is the soap that I use for my face. And you know what? Surprisingly, even when that's the case, during high school or university, I never got pimples. I never got breakouts. My biggest issue though are allergies. Like I always seem to be allergic to something, and I always get these rashes or welts everywhere in my body because I'm reacting to something. And I could never pinpoint as to what it was. And no moisturizer, no sunscreen, but you know, you gotta put on sunscreen even when you were young, so now it's biting me in the bum. And I have so many freckles and sunspots. Even though I say that I never had pimples. Like, my skin was never great. It's very dry and dull, and I have like discoloration everywhere because of sun damage. You know how hot and how direct the sun hits in the Philippines. Having great skin is more than just not having pimples. Let me put on concealer, more of the brighter shade around my eyes. It's a little bit of it. You know what? Let me get rid of this one. Okay. Blush. Oh, the blush looks really nice if you have foundation on it. Really sticks to it. Maybe a little bit of my nose. This is how it looks in different lighting. It's with just like the white light. And this is actually how it looks like when it's just sunlight. The pigments are more visible